Hello everyone, I'm Lawrence from Hollyland. It's great to see you all again. Today, I'm going to walk you through our Solidcom M1 Pro. This professional full-duplex wireless intercom system delivers outstanding communication performance. It features advanced dual microphone environmental noise cancellation that effectively reduces background noise, making it a reliable option for loud or busy environments. Its adaptive frequency hopping technology automatically avoids wireless interference in complex environments, ensuring stable and efficient communication at all times. With a long line of sight range of 1,300 feet or about 400 meters, it provides ample coverage for stage productions, sports events, and other professional scenarios. And with its ergonomic headset design, it's comfortable to wear for long periods, so you can stay focused on the job. Next, I will walk you through everything from the unboxing to the feature demo, so you can fully get to know the product. Before we get started, let's check what's included in the box. First is the main station. It handles all wireless communication with the beltpacks, and it serves as the core of the entire system. On the front, there's a display screen that shows the status of the main station and the connection status of each beltpack. There are also control buttons, and by pressing and holding the center button, you can enter the menu for various function settings. On the back, we have 2 battery slots, so the main station can operate on MPF batteries when DC power isn't on hand. On the right is the power button. Blue means on and red means off. On the top, there are 2 antenna ports. These are used for installing the fiberglass antennas. If you don't have those installed, the main station will automatically switch to the built-in panel antenna on the front. So what's the difference between these 2 antennas? The fiberglass antennas give you about a 300-meter radius of coverage, and the pattern is almost 360 degrees. So it reaches in all directions, pretty much like a sphere. The built-in panel antenna reaches up to 400 meters, but only in front of the main station. Behind it, the range is about 50 meters. You can pick whichever antenna setup fits your application better. On the bottom, there are quite a few ports, so let's go through them one by one. Power port. This port has 2 functions. It can power the unit, and it can also be used for IP cascading between devices. 4-wire port. Used to connect it to other Hollyland intercom main stations or third-party wire or wireless intercom systems. USB port. Used to connect a belt pack for pairing or to plug in a USB drive for updating the main station. 3/8 threaded mount. This allows the main station to be mounted on a tripod. 2-wire port. Used for connecting traditional wired intercom systems. PoE or LAN port. Used for IP cascading with another Solidcom M1 Pro, and it can also provide power through PoE. The beltpack is the final receiving unit. It receives the wireless signal from the main station and sends voice data back to it. The front display shows the beltpack's talking status and its connection status with the main station. In the middle, the A, B, and C buttons correspond to group A, B, and C. You can double press any of these buttons to join or leave each group. On the back is a metal clip that lets you attach the beltpack wherever you need to wear it. On the right, the plus and minus buttons are for adjusting the headset volume. You can also press and hold both buttons at the same time to enter the menu. On the left is the battery compartment. Switch it to open to remove the battery. The USB-C port is used to connect to the main station for pairing. On the top are the antenna and the talk button. By default, when the button isn't pressed, it stays in mute mode. You can press it to switch to talk mode, allowing you to speak. On the bottom, there are 2 ports, a LiMo port and a 3.5mm port. The LiMo port is for the included headset, and the 3.5mm port is for standard wired headsets. The headset connects to the beltpack through the LiMo port. It delivers the audio coming from the beltpack and also sends your voice back into the system. Its over-ear design helps block out surrounding noise very effectively. Next to the mic on the headset, there is an ENC switch. When you turn it on, the indicator light beside the mic lights up blue to show that noise cancellation is active. The ENC performance is excellent. It uses a secondary microphone to pick up ambient noise and cancels it through phase inversion. In loud environments like stage setups or live events, it helps keep communication clear. In addition to the talk button on the belt pack, the microphone boom can also control mute and unmute. Pushing the boom up mutes the mic, and pushing it down turns the mic back on. You can choose whichever control method you prefer. That's all for the ports and the external components. Up next, we'll go into the main features. One main station supports up to 8 belt packs. If your setup requires more than 8 people, you can add additional main stations to expand the system. When cascading units of the same model, IP cascading is the recommended option, as it uses digital transmission and offers better group management. Use a standard network cable to connect the PoE LAN port on the first main station to the power port on the second main station. Go into the network settings and disable DHCP on both main stations. After entering the menu, set one of the main stations to master in the master remote settings. Then, on the other main station, go to the same master remote settings and set it to remote. Once the setup is complete, the remote device will automatically detect the master device IP address. Simply tap the detected IP address and the system will complete the IP cascading automatically. Different Hollyland Intercom models need to be cascaded through the 4-wire interface, and the same applies when cascading with other brands' intercom systems. Next, let's go over how to set up a 4-wire cascade. Use a standard network cable to connect the 4-wire ports on the 2 main stations. Make sure the master remote settings on both devices are set to master. Go into the 4-wire settings in the menu and select wire sequence. Set one of the main stations to standard mode. And set the other one to cross mode. Finally, in the custom group settings, turn on the 4-wire switch for the groups you want to link. Any groups with the 4-wire switch enabled on both main stations will be able to communicate with each other. The belt packs come prepared with the main station from the factory. If you are adding additional belt packs, they need to be paired before they can connect to the main station. Here are the pairing steps. Use a USB-A to USB-C cable to connect the main station and the belt pack. Then, press and hold both the plus and minus volume buttons on the belt pack to enter the menu. Select pairing, choose the number, and you are all set. Grouping is a very important feature in an intercom system. You can assign different roles to different groups, preventing their conversations from interfering with each other and improving overall workflow efficiency. The grouping logic on the main station is very straightforward. The system supports 3 groups, A, B, and C. Each group contains 8 numbers and each number represents 1 belt pack. If a number is lit, it means that belt pack is assigned to that group. For example, if you want to assign belt pack 1 to group A, simply turn on number 1 under group A. A belt pack can also belong to multiple groups at the same time. Just light up its number in A B or C as needed. At the end of each group row, you will see a 2-wire switch and a 4-wire switch. These correspond to any external 2-wire or 4-wire devices you've connected. If you want the audio from an external device to go into a specific group, just turn on the 2-wire or 4-wire switch for that group. If your project only requires a simple grouping setup, you can choose either the A group mode or the AB group mode. In A group mode, all belt packs are automatically assigned to group A. In AB group mode, belt packs 1, 2, 3, and 4 are placed in group A, while belt packs 5, 6, 7, and 8 are placed in group B. That covers the basic features you'll use most often. So after learning all these functions, how do we actually set it up and start using it? In the next part, we will go through a quick guide on how to get the system up and running. First, place the main station on a tripod and raise it to about 2 meters above the ground. This height helps reduce signal blockage caused by people moving around. If possible, try to mount the main station even higher in an open, unobstructed area to get the best signal performance. If there are other main stations nearby, keep at least a 2-meter distance between them to avoid interference. Connect the DC adapter's cable to the power port on the main station. Press the power switch on the main station. Once it's fully powered on, turn on the belt packs as well. Wait for the main station and the belt packs to connect automatically. Once the connection is successful, the main station's screen will show the numbers of the connected belt packs. Connect the wired headset to the limo port on the bottom of the belt pack. Once everything is connected, you are ready to start talking. Push the microphone down to unmute and speak, and push it up to mute. At this point, all the installation and setup are complete. Pretty simple, right? Now, you can enjoy clear, high-quality communication right away. That's all for today's tutorial. For more information, please visit the Hollyland website. And if there are other features you'd like to learn about, feel free to leave a comment and let us know.